Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about error 400, why you are getting it and how you can resolve it. The main reason why you are getting this error is the corrupted cookies stored on your browser that did not expire when you closed it. I'm gonna show you how you can resolve this error. So now let's go to the PC and get started. So here what you need to do, you need to go and open your Google Chrome browser. On your right hand side you will see three dots, click on it, then go to settings, then on your left hand side you will see security and privacy, click on that, then click on cookies and other site data. Here scroll down, you will see all cookies and site data. Here you will see all the cookies stored in your browser. What you need to do, you can search the website where you are getting this error and remove it. Or if you are not getting any cookies on that website, remove all. Click on remove all cookies and then try to log into that website and you will see that your error is no more. Thanks guys for watching. That's it for this video. Subscribe to my channel to watch upcoming videos. Take care. Goodbye.